Alrighty, what's going on, y'all? So today I'm going to be talking to you about the Sea and Surf body wash from the company called Method Men. Yeah, just basically, it's simple body wash, but it's got a lot of cool things about it that I really dig. So I was using Old Spice for a very long time. It's kind of like a mix between Old Spice and maybe like sometimes like Axe body wash. And I kind of just wanted to switch over. I don't know, I got tired of them. They're just like, the smells on those kinds of body washes, they're really overwhelming. I just had a feeling that they were like chemically and stuff, and I wanted something that was, a bit more natural, but also still something that was more suited towards, I guess, just men. I don't know, nothing that was like too soft or whatever. I kind of wanted a good all-around, more natural body wash, and I ended up finding this. I really like it. So let's start off with the scent. I mean, obviously that's kind of the most important thing. The scent is definitely one that's like crisp and clean, and I feel like it really reflects the sea and surf kind of thing, and I don't know if it's like placebo effect, but I definitely see the sea thing, or smell the sea thing, if that makes any sense. It has like a very, very slight, very subtle, tropical kind of ocean fragrance that is really nice. It's just a really, really fresh scent overall. That's like the best way that I can explain it. But yeah, it's very, very subtle, very natural. It's not overpowering like some body washes. And that's like what I was saying a second ago, is like some of these, like Old Spice, or like especially these like more popular brands, like seem to just be so overpowering. The smells are like just crazy. And so I think just having something that's more natural just makes sense. It's like, why have all that fragrance? It's not necessary. You're going to be putting on deodorant, you're going to be putting on like cologne or something anyway, so it's like, why not just get something that like keeps you clean, keeps you smelling fresh, and then you can decide on like what scent you want later. So, overall, like having something that was more subtle just makes more sense to me. The thing that stood out to me most, actually, when I bought this was the simplicity of the packaging, for sure. I love products that have simple designs. That's like my favorite thing in the world. And like, right away, it's like you look at this, like, you got this nice olive gray, dark, maybe dark green sort of bottle. And it's just got the print, small print, Method Men, Sea and Surf body wash, boom. And it's just like nothing, no fancy, crazy graphics or like, labels that are going to peel off when you put them in the shower anyway. And the ingredients too. It's like they've only, there's not like, it's simple, like, obviously on here you have all this stuff, but when you really break it down and you look into like what the ingredients are, it's very, very simple. It comes from a primarily natural standpoint, which is awesome, and you're not getting like a bunch of crazy weird things in your body wash. Like, for example, you have the sodium lauryl sulfate in here, and that's derived, and it says on their website, derived from coconut and palm oils. That stuff could like potentially dry your skin out, and that's in a lot of different kinds of body washes. But they balance it out with aloe in here, so like, you get a nice natural balance, which is great. Cool thing is they are environmentally friendly. As you can see right here, that's one thing they put on. You don't see that on a lot of body washes, so that's nice. Certified B Corporation, cruelty-free, tested by people, never on animals, and the bottle's made with 65% recycled plastic. So, you're dealing with a company that, obviously has some good values, and can, and creates a product that's just like, and simple, and for cleaning and staying fresh and all that jazz. Overall, you're dealing with 18 fluid ounce bottle. This thing's pretty big. It's gonna last you a while, and you're just getting a really good product. One thing I will say is a bit more expensive than your typical body washes, but if you're serious about maintaining kind of a healthy body, and also just maintaining a healthier environment, then like maybe putting that extra money into it is worth it. Why shower and bathe yourself in something that has tons of chemicals and nasty stuff, when you can get something that's simple, easy, more natural, and just comes from a more I guess human and environmentally friendly standpoint. So yeah, I would highly recommend this brand, Method Men. This is the Sea and Surf body wash, and yeah, it's awesome. I can't really say any more. All right, take it easy, guys. Stay fresh.